Profitable trading is not a myth. You just have to know where it begins, how to execute it, and when to exit the market. I have watched hundreds of videos on YouTube looking for a trading strategy that is profitable and that suits my trading style. Believe me when I say you have not heard of this strategy ever before, because I have not heard anyone speaking about it ever before. Preparing your chart. Open an account with TradingView by going to tradingview.com. It is free. If you do not open an account, you won't be able to use any indicators or save the setting for the future. Go to the chart page, tradingview.com/chart/. I have given a link in the description which will take you directly to the chart page. There is a watch list on the right side of the page. Add an asset symbol on which you will practice this strategy by clicking the plus button after watch list. Here I have added CM, or Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. You can trade this stock both in the USA and Canada. In the USA, it is offered through the New York Stock Exchange, and in Canada through the Toronto Stock Exchange. I like this stock because this strategy is perfect for trading this stock. If you have a favorite stock, you can add the symbol and see if it is a good fit for this strategy. Play with at least 10 symbols before you decide on 3-4 symbols. Now, first, let us change the candles. From the menu before indicators, select high-low. We are not going to trade with regular candles or any other kind of candles, for example, Heiken Ashi. Now the chart will look like this. Now change the time frame to 2 hours by clicking the time frame drop-down list. This 2-hour time frame works best for this stock. Only one thing is left now, adding an indicator that is at the heart of this strategy. Go to Indicators. Search UT Bot. Choose the one created by Yo_Adrian. You don't need to change any settings. Play with the colors if you like. I don't care about colors. Now your chart looks like this. The strategy. You must have seen some videos that suggest UT Bot as an indicator. They add 1 or 2 more indicators with this indicator to minimize risks. They suggest that you buy when you see a buy alert and sell when you see a sell alert. They want you to put a stop loss at the ATR line. The problem is, if you enter at the top of the first green candle, you will have to put a big stop loss. You may lose a lot of money if the trade goes against you, so ignore their suggestions. Some trades will go against us too, but we want to lose as little money as possible to make as much money as possible. The biggest job on this strategy is to wait for the right moment. Depending on what stock you choose to trade, your entry point and number of shares for each trade will be different. Our goal is to risk $300 to make a profit of $1,500 in one trade. If I risk $1 per share, I can buy only 300 shares per trade. But if I risk 25 cents per share, I can buy 1,200 shares per trade. For this CM stock, my risk is 30 cents per share. So I can buy 1,000 shares of CM with a total risk of $300 and a total gain of $1,500. Your waiting begins when you get a buy signal and the candles turn green with the ATR line underneath. Wait for the price to come within 30 cents of the ATR line. When it does that, enter the trade with a stop loss under the line and a profit target of $1.50. Walk away from your trading platform. You don't need to manage this trade. Let everything happen mathematically. Out of 5 trades, your target is to win 3. But with this strategy, if you lose 4 trades and win only 1 trade, you will still make $300. If you have lost 3 trades in a row, understand that you have not chosen the right stock for this strategy. You need a stock that respects the ATR line by not crossing it until you see an opposite signal. Apply the same strategy if you are interested in shorting. Shorting involves higher risks, but with this strategy, your risk remains within your control, unless there is a flash crash in the market. Some trades will bring you even 10x return. Look here, your risk is still the same 30 cents per share, but the stock continues going up or down, and you may ride that trend beyond 5x. With a $300 risk, your reward on this trade is a staggering $3,000 or more. Practice this strategy, risking a small amount until you are confident. Remember, This was not financial advice. This is what I do with my money. Do your research before risking any money in the stock market. Subscribe to this channel before you leave. This helps the YouTube algorithm and lets the channel grow. And if you start earning a crazy amount of money every week, don't hesitate to send some of it my way. That was a joke.